So here's my bathroom. I mean, it's fairly clean, like I said. Are we gonna focus? Pretty please. What's going on here? All right, there we go. Like I said, it's pretty clean. It just could use some help. In my medicine cabinet, it's all pretty much fine. I use all that stuff on a fairly regular basis. This is where it gets fun. So I have my drawers. Ugh. So top drawer can use some help. It's not the end of the world, but like it's not fantastic, but you can see what the next drawer looks like. So this is my second drawer. There was organization to it and it all just went out the window. I have no idea what happened. And then here's my third drawer, which is about the same. And so we're out of focus again. There we go. These all need to find a home in here, but there's just no room for it. So I think the best way to go about this is literally gonna just be to take everything out of my drawers and sort it. I'm gonna need some more containers, but I don't know how many more containers or what I'm gonna need them for. So I can't like go to the container store, like go to Target and buy anything until I know what I need. And I figured I could just like wait to try to film this until after I did that, or else I can just kind of film it all. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll see what happens. And yeah, I guess I will get you set up and just start taking things out of my drawers. It's gonna be a disaster. So this is everything, and keep in mind a lot of it's still in bins and like boxes, but that's a lot. That only came out of there. Like that's a lot of stuff. Let's get to decluttering it. So everything is into respective piles. That's like period stuff, body wash, whatnot. This is a bunch of hair stuff. That's my little mini travels trash. Does not belong in here. Actually, I guess these could go with that. Just kind of like Band-Aids, rubbing alcohol, wound wash, makeup brush cleanser, makeup brush scrubber thingy. This is all my little like travel wet wipes, whatnot. Bath bombs. Can't decide if I want to keep those or not. I don't use them. So I don't know. I should probably just throw them away. But like I want to be the type of person to use a bath bomb, so we'll see. I just have my little cotton rounds. This is all face. This is mostly skincare, and then most of this is like face masks. But here's more skincare. Here's more like toothpaste, mouthwash, rinse, all that stuff. Here's a disposable razor, which I don't use, and a bunch of razor heads. I have a little extra brush head for my face wash brush right here. And then here's just some like, oops, you can't see anything. Here's just like Advil and melatonin, and then some like body lotion stuff. And like that's foot mask. I don't know where I get all these things from. They just appear. So I think now, oh, and then like self tanner back there, which if you can't tell, don't use very often. So I think we're just gonna try to figure out how to put it back in, declutter it at the same time. There's a lot going on here. We'll see. Okay, so it got to the point where I just didn't have any place to put anything because I didn't have any more containers, so I went to Target and I picked up two vertical containers like this. I have two of these smaller size, one that's a little bigger. I have four of these ones, and then I have three more of the little ones. So let's see what we can do. So if you remember before, everything was just like out, and it has all been condensed into these little bins. So I think it already looks much better. Now let's put them all back in the drawers. So this is our finished drawers. This one, I'm gonna focus, there we go. Has my little face brush for when I use that. I don't always use it, but sometimes I do. I have a face roller, some of those little flossers, extra razors, and then an extra head for this brush. Over here, I have just some like whitening stuff, so like whitening strips, just a bunch of stuff. And then cotton rounds. And then if we go into the second drawer, I have all my face masks. I have just a lot of my like smaller skincare stuff, and then this I don't really use it anymore. I don't want to get rid of it. It's still really good. I haven't quite decided to do with it yet, so we're just gonna go in there for now. This is just like some random little, like an extra loofah, some bath salts, I guess like foot masks. This is hair stuff, so I have hairspray, anti-frizz, dry shampoo. This is some more skincare, but it's some bigger stuff. So I have like kind of the refill for my Mario Badescu spray. I have a smaller version up here, which this one fits better. So I just use the big one to refill the small one. So that's where that is. Face scrub. This is the moisturizer that I've been trying out recently. And then just like a sleeping mask and like a heavier cream. And then down here in the bottom, I have just kind of my backup like hair care. Oops. Let's get these out of the way. There we go. I have like my backup like shampoo, conditioner. I have, this is kind of just like my miscellaneous. So I have icy hot Nair, an extra toothbrush, saline spray, makeup brush cleaner. I have some liners. This is just like, I had an infected piercing, and so it's just kind of like my supplies for that. Period stuff there and there, self tanner, and then just another little box of liners. So there we go. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff if you would like to see more videos. And yeah, with that being said, have a great rest of your day or night. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.